This is our iTrust demo for Team 201 Group 5. We're called Squad. So first we're going to log in as an OBGYN and click to initialize the obstetrics patient. And we'll select patient 410, James Franco. And we see we have to make them eligible before we can do anything. So we'll click to do that. And now we can create a new initialization record because we don't have any. And we'll select to add a prior pregnancy, and we put in all the values as so. And we have some error checking for an invalid input for the weeks pregnant. And now we can select to view it. We can also add another prior pregnancy, and we'll put in those values now and click to add. That way when you click to view it, we can see both prior pregnancies in it. And if we go to the labor and delivery report and click to view it, we can show that initialization and prior pregnancies.
Now we're going to go to the obstetrics office visit page. We're going to create a new office visit. It shows the office visit date and time. We're going to input the information here, and it also shows on the bottom when the next office visit should be. We add that to our database, and we can click to view the information we just inputted with the empty ultrasound records table. Now we can go to the labor and delivery report page and see the information we just put in. And it also shows that we had an abnormal fetal heart rate and high blood pressure. If we go back to the office visit information, we can edit that to correct the mistake we made from 50 to 150 fetal heart rate. Update that information, and then we go back to the labor and delivery report, and it shows that the fetal heart rate is now 150, and we no longer have the complication of the abnormal fetal heart rate. Now we can add an ultrasound. We can browse for an image, add that image to the record, input some information here, and add the ultrasound to our database. We can now go back and view the ultrasound record, and we can download the image as a PDF or JPEG. And there's an ultrasound image. Now we can go back to our office visit page, try to add another ultrasound for baby number 1, change the information, and while we try to add that information, it won't let us because we already have a record existing for baby number 1, but if we edit the information, it works. Then if we go back to view it, it shows the updated information.
So now we'll click for the childbirth hospital visit, and first we can click the initialization record for this pregnancy just to make sure we have the information still. And then we have a previously scheduled childbirth visit based on the other office visits that we can now edit. And we can fill in all those fields, whether it's pre-scheduled or not, or the type of delivery and all those other fields, and we can edit the actual visit. But now we have to add a delivery for each child born in that office visit. So we'll say this is the first baby. We'll put the delivery date and time and the method, and the sex is male. And when we click to view the visit, that table now has that information in it, and it shows that the sex is male. And now we will edit that delivery to make it female instead, because let's say that was a mistake, and we can see that we now have a female baby born correctly showing in the database table.
So now we're going to log in as a regular HCP, and we can go to the patient initialization form, type in which patient we're looking for, same patient, and we can click that record, we can view it, but we can't edit it or add any new records. We go to the office visit information, we can view it, but we cannot edit it because there's no edit button. And same for the delivery report. You can view all the same information but can't edit anything.
And for the engineering extra credit maintenance, we implemented the patient profile pictures. So for the patient we're looking at now, we see there's no patient profile picture right now, but we go to the basic health information where it also shows, and again we see that there's no picture for the patient. So we can add a profile picture now, and we'll browse for the image, and when we submit that, we can view the information. We see the picture there. We see it there as well, which is correct, and we also see it there. So now if we want to override it with a new picture, let's say we want to edit it, we can pick a different picture, and we see it there. And when we view the patient information, we have the new picture showing in the necessary spots. And that was our iTrust project.